Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, war day number 1029. Yes, it's today, war day number 1029 days ago. The war started in Ukraine, and the world has been changed. Yes. In today's newspaper, in today's newspaper on Wednesday, December the 18th, 2024, we have not so good news because we have only 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. No additional for today. Yes, let me show you. No additional, no extra puzzles. So only these 3 regular puzzles. Well, maybe tomorrow and the day after we have a couple of days to go till end of the year. So 3 puzzles for today, and the first one I will solve will be the 3 Stars Sudoku number 9768. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26, 1 digit less. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4. 1 in this third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 9. Need a 7 here. 9. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left 8 should be there. 9. 9. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4. Need a 5 here. A 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6. Should be there. 6. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 2. Need a 2 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. Look, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there, so the 5 and 8 are left. Let me mark those. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and the 7 in the last column. No 1 and the 7 in these two boxes. 1 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So two numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row. Only place level 3 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place level 8 should be there. Two numbers left now in the last row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 8. Well, in this big square, we have 8 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have a 5 and 8 in this column, so no 5 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 and 8 in the middle column, so no 5 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So 3 boxes are left for the 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this row. So no 5 and 8 in that box. So the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 9, 9. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then, let me see, need 2 here. Yep, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 2. We have 6 and the 2 in this column, so no 6 and the 2 in these 2 boxes. 6 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 2, 6 and 2. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left now in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 here, 2 there. That means in this row, we need a 2. Here can be 2. Or there can be 2 because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So the only box left for the 2 in this row should be there then. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 9 and the 6, 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then how about 4 in the 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left 6 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then, in this row, we need an 8. Well, we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 in this row. Should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 in the 7, 5 in the 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Cannot believe this. 11 minutes. Cannot be a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.